Make your ChatGPT content undetectable. OpenAI has recently launched ChatGPT, a cutting-edge AI language model that can produce text with ease. As a result, various AI content detection tools have been developed to distinguish between text generated by ChatGPT and that written by human writers. In this video, I will guide you through the steps to help your ChatGPT-generated content escape detection and maximize your content's reach on the internet. Here we are on the ChatGPT website. I'll provide a link in the description. Let's have ChatGPT generate a short story using the following prompt. Write a 300-word short story about a farmer raising 3 goats. ChatGPT is now generating the short story that I asked it to create. Once it is done, I copy the AI-generated content into the clipboard. Here we are on the AI Cheat Check website. It's a tool for determining the source of the text, whether from a human or an AI model. I'll paste in the short story text and submit it for analysis. And here's the answer. 100% certain the text was written by an AI. AI Cheat Check did this by analyzing sentence structure and readability to detect the presence of a GPT model in the text. Here we are on the Spin Rewriter website. I'll provide a link in the description. I'll paste in the short story text and submit it to be rewritten. Spin Rewriter uses proprietary ENL semantic spinning technology to thoroughly analyze articles and understand their meaning, then uses a hand-curated database of synonyms to produce high-quality, readable, rewritten versions. Now I'll generate a unique version of the text and copy the new text into the clipboard. Let's return to the AI Cheat Check website. I'll clear out the original text, paste in the rewritten version, and analyze it again. It worked. 100% certain the text was written by a human. I hope this information was helpful. Spin Rewriter offers a 5-day free trial, allowing you to test its effectiveness with your ChatGPT content and ensure it meets your needs.